one is offing me seriously. I don't even understand. And then another housemate used her own mouth to expose herself, and this is V. So V was telling you, I think in the early hours of this morning, that she has not seen her period. And you was like, so hope nobody has one can't conceive. Like, guys, I don't understand what's going on. What is going on, guys? I don't understand. Okay, let's give you the benefit of that. Yeah, for ladies who do not see their period on time, it could be as a result of several factors. It could be as a result of the fact that they might be sick, and then it changes their hormones and the way their hormonal system works. It could be that it's stress. So if a female is extremely stressed, then a period might be delayed. And then the ultimate one is if she's pregnant. So which of these three is wrong with V in that house that made her say that she has not seen her period? Although she said that her period will soon come. But then, guys, is it that her circle has changed in Biggie's house or what? I don't understand what's going on, guys.
See, wait for shit. Whoa! Wait. Sorry, just so I need some things from you. Okay. Nothing's truly free. My man. Item one is you trade all your Bbnaija.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Or item two, you give a personal belonging to the weather. They give to me, I give to them. So number one is all your Bbnaija for the week. Or two, a personal belonging for these flowers. Yeah.
You kidding me?
I'm serious.
What kind of personal belonging can you give me?
A personal belonging, one that carries the weight of flowers. Something.
Can you like a shirt or something?
It did specify, just said personal belonging, but a shirt.
Hey, more blessings. More blessings. Everybody's face to be sour. Happy birthday, B. Happy birthday. Thank you. I feel honored. I feel grateful. I feel honored. I'm happy because I never expected it. You never expected it.
I've been doing a lot of things unconsciously.
No, you're not done. Why are you doing things unconsciously? And you know what's funny? Me and him were friends. Yeah, kids were never like friends before. But now you have kids that are like, cool. They me and you. No. And I did not do anything wrong to you.
Yeah.
You know how it is like girls outside or like girls in normal other type of situations. They think they will even have a talk. Girls usually have numerous guys that are like there. They won't even send a guy enough to even have a conversation about this type of thing. But me, over and over, I keep doing it. So I'm just wondering, is that the part I did wrong? Should I have just not?
I almost spent 2 hours. Starting debate this night. Oh wow!
Yeah, it's true. I'm a very relaxed person. No. It needs to be said. It needs to be said. No. It needs to be said. It needs to be said because you guys won't listen. You won't listen. That's why I'm very laid back. And chilled. Listen. No, that's why I'm very laid back. If you're in your feelings, what's the word? If you're in your feelings, you're in your feelings. But let's sit here and work it out.
As a public servant, at the head of this house, think very well before you say something. Yeah. Just think very well. People are fucking sensitive. I've seen moments where people are just here and I am Erica now.
Like anybody that sounds arrogant,
Of course.
please.
You have to apologize, man.
It just makes you sound arrogant. I know that's not how you are, but that's
It's the context that was said. It's not like I'm putting table tennis and I'm saying to everyone, I'm still going to be here next week. I said it because
it's just like a wake up call.
Arguing. I said it so you can just switch on.
People are emotional.
People won't see, but then from my own angle.
And then just a few minutes ago, they were able to round off the task with Team Carrot winning the game. Now,
For a longer